National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Howard County in central Maryland, east central Montgomery County in central Maryland, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Colesville, or near Olney, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Columbia, Olney, Elk Ridge, Historic Ellicott City, Aspen Hill, Fairland, Colesville, Rossmere, Savage Guilford, Wheaton Glenmont, Skeggsville, Ilchester, Calverton, Cloverly, Glenmont, Burtonsville, Savage, Fulton and Spencerville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the